Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vloggers channel. In today's video, we will show you how to create a film stop motion transition. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger and import 2 video clips into the media library. Next, drag one of the clips to the video track and trim it. Then move the playhead to the second half of the video. Use the shortcut key M to add marker. Then click Split to cut the video here. Now click here to take a screenshot of the frame. Once finished, return to the main interface. Click the arrow below the preview window. Move the playhead 4 to 5 frames to the right and take another screenshot. Repeat this process of taking a screenshot every 4 to 5 frames. After collecting 4 to 5 screenshots, delete the marked segments. And then import all the screenshots you just collected into VideoProc Vlogger. Arrange them in order on the video track, ensuring each frame stays for about 8 frames. Once all the images are arranged this way, move each image slightly to the right. Until you reach the last frame. Next, import a second video clip into the video track and place it after the image. Trim the clip and find a location for the transition, just like before. First, click here to take a screenshot. And then move the playhead 4 to 5 frames to the right and take another screenshot. Repeat this process to capture the same number of the screenshots as before. After capturing the last screenshot, use Split to cut a clip here and delete the earlier portion of the clip. Import all the screenshots back into VideoProc Vlogger. Enter the folder and drag all the screenshots into the overlay track in order. Align them with the previous image. Note that since we are dragging into the overlay track, we need to manually adjust the image to fit the screen. Align each image in the timeline with the image above. In the preview window, fill the gaps left by the previous image with the new image. This will create a slow left-to-right movement effect in the scene. Once finished, let's add a cinematic filter video. You can find these materials online or download them through the link in the description box down below. Create a new overlay track. Then import the filter video into the overlay track and fit it to the screen. Next, move the video below the image on the timeline. Use the ripple editor to adjust the length of the video, making it slightly longer than the image. Then in Inspector on the right, find the compositing section and change your image blend mode to the property option. This may vary depending on the specifics of your video. For example, I'm using screen. Next, find the Fade and Move section. Check Fade In and Fade Out and adjust the duration to about 0.4 seconds. And that's it. The film stop motion transition effect is complete. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. And if you want to know more about the other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!